आज का जो वीडियो है वह बहुत ही जानकारी देने वाला है, इसलिए इस वीडियो को पूरा देखें। The most dangerous animals on earth. Number 10, Moray eel. The moray eel tends to hang out in tropical seas. They have thick, scaleless skin and sharp teeth that enable them to inflict serious wounds on their prey, including humans, when disturbed. People eat moray eels in some areas of the world, but their flesh can be toxic and cause illness or death if not prepared properly. Number 9, Golden poison frog. Where they can be found: Colombia. Notable features: bright yellow coloring. The golden poison frog is considered one of the most toxic animals on earth. To put it in perspective, it packs enough venom to kill 10 adults. It's unclear how many humans have died from an encounter with a poison dart frog. But its venomous characteristics make it one of the world's deadliest animals. It gets its name from the indigenous people of Colombia who tipped their darts and blowguns with its venom before hunting. For an animal to be considered poisonous, it must be toxic to eat. The golden poison frog keeps its toxins in glands beneath its skin, so any human or animal that take. Number 8, Stonefish. Where they can be found: coastal waters of Australia, Indonesia and India. Stonefish are the world's most venomous fish. They fool their prey, humans included, by camouflage as they blend in with reefs and the bottom of the ocean floor. They have 13 spines along their back, and each spine has a gland that holds venom. If a person steps on or kicks a stonefish, the venom is released, and the person, or other aquatic enemies. Stonefish are particularly dangerous to divers and swimmers in Australia. These days, there is a stonefish anti-venom, so there haven't been many deaths per se by stonefish in recent years. Number 7, Blue-ringed octopus. Humans killed 3 people in total that have ever been recorded. Where they can be found: Australia, Japan, Philippines and India. Notable features: blue rings on its body. While most octopus squirt ink as their line of defense, the blue-ringed octopus dispenses a deadly poison, enough to kill 26 humans within minutes. Despite its power, this marine creature is only the size of a pencil and can be spotted by the noticeable blue rings on its body. If you were to hold it in the palm of your hand, please don't. It would bite you and inject tetrodotoxin, a deadly toxin also found in pufferfish. It's unlikely that you'll encounter these killers as they tend to hide in dark crevices about 165 feet underwater. Number 6, Komodo dragon. Humans killed 4 people in total that have ever been recorded. Where they can be found: Komodo Island and Lesser Sunda Islands of Indonesia. Notable features: shark-like teeth, clawed feet, 10 feet in length. Komodo dragons are the world's largest lizards, growing 10 feet long and weighing about 150 pounds. In recent years, Komodo dragons have become somewhat of a tourist attraction in Indonesia. Komodo National Park invites tourists to see this large lizard in its natural habitat. But these prehistoric monsters look as vicious as they are. Komodo dragons have killed 4 people over the past 33 years. The last fatal attack occurred in 2009. Komodo dragons have a powerful bite packed with venom that delivers toxins that inhibit blood clotting. Trauma from the bite, bacteria from the Komodo dragon's mouth and rapid blood loss contribute to their ability to kill prey, humans included. Number 5, Cone snail. Humans killed about 36 people in total that have ever been recorded. Where they can be found: tropical, warm waters. Notable features: a cone-shaped shell with blotchy orange coloring. The cone snail may look harmless, but it is a deadly marine mollusk to humans and fish. It has a fatal venom that's not intended to harm humans, but when it does, it starts with paralysis, then induces a coma and eventually leads to death. Deep sea divers know of the hazards of an innocent-looking cone snail, as their habitats are the tropical and colorful waters of the Red Sea, Caribbean Sea and the Indian Ocean. The cone snail has killed about 36 people over the years. Number 4. Alligator. Where to find them? Florida. Notable features: a long body with dense scales and bone plates. Alligators blink to see, yes, but they don't kill as many people as they might think. According to the Florida Fish and Wildlife Commission, Florida has an average of about 7 unconventional defecation attacks each year, with only 25 deadly alligator attacks since 1948. 3. Pufferfish. People die each year, 2 to 3, although this number is declining due to pufferfish eating regulations. Where they can be found: warm waters of the Indian Ocean, the Pacific Ocean and the Atlantic Ocean. Pufferfish, blowfish and the pagu fall under the same category of fish that drown you with spikes and stings. But let's talk about fugu, a special kind of pufferfish from Japan that has more toxins than cyanide. Number 2. Spiders. Every year people die, about 6, in the United States. Where to find them? Worldwide. Snakes and spiders seem to compete with human fear. Both contain species that bite and inject a deadly venom, and both are silent killers. There are more than 43,000 species of spiders worldwide, but less than 30 species are known to kill humans. Spider venom is usually deadly against small animals, not just humans. And when it kills a person, it is usually an allergic reaction. About 6 spiders die each year in the United States. 1. Wolf. Killing people every year, 10. Where they can be found: North America, Europe, Asia and North Africa. The power of the wolf is in the pack. This cycle creature is fierce, fast and regional. These are very common in the forests of North America. It is probably unlikely that you will ever encounter wolves, as they do not usually travel on foot. In fact, they are afraid of people. I hope this video is something for you can gain knowledge. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.